Assalamualaikum grade 7th online with computers. Now we are going to start second lecture of computer. Our topic name is language processor. Language processor is known as language translator, and a translator is a software which is used to convert the instructions of high level language codes into machine codes. We know that computer can only understand the instructions of machine language. That's why we use translator to convert the instructions of high-level languages into machine languages. There are further three types of language translator. First one is assembler, second is interpreter, third one is compiler. Assembler is type of software which is used to convert the instructions of high-level languages or assembly languages into machine codes. Interpreter is a software that is used to convert the instructions of high-level languages into machine languages line by line. And compiler is also a converter which is used to convert the instructions of high-level languages into low-level languages or machine languages in one go. It converts the whole program at a time. Application software. We know that application software or program is a set of instructions which is used to perform specific tasks for specific purpose. There are more two types of application software. First one is packaged software, second is customized software. First we discuss about packaged software. A packaged software is a software developed for users to perform some specific task on their requirements. It is general purpose software. Example of packaged software is MS Word, electronic spreadsheet, presentation graphic software, and database management system or DBMS. DBMS is a collection of data and other related information of a database. It is used to handle a large amount of data in the computer. An example of DBMS is MS Access. Next one is customized software. Customized software is made as per the specific requirements of an organization or institute. An example of customized software is software made for hotel management system would be different from that of an airline reservation system. This is the exercise of chapter number 1. Students will highlight these key terms and learn them. First one is computer software, multi-user, multitasking, data compression, mnemonic, DBMS. Students will solve this exercise by yourself, otherwise tally this solved exercise with your solved exercise. Question number A. Choose the correct option and write in the space provided. Question number B. Fill in the blanks. Question number C. Tick the correct and cross the wrong ones. Question number D. Answer the following questions. These are the questions and answer of these questions are: question number 1. Define operating system. Answer: an operating system is a software that is used to control the overall activities of a computer system. Question number 2. What are the types of system software? Answer: system software is of three types: operating system, utility programs, language processor. Question number 3. Name some operating systems used nowadays. Answer: some operating systems used nowadays are Android, Microsoft Windows, Mac OS X, and Windows Phone. Question number 4. Who is known as the father of Java programming language? Answer. James A. Gosling is known as father of Java programming language. Question number 5. What is a language processor? What are its various types? Answer. A language translator is also known as language processor. A translator software is used to convert high-level language codes to machine codes. Different types of language processor are assembler, interpreter, compiler. Question number 6. Differentiate between high-level and low-level language. High-level and low-level. High-level easier to write, easier to test or debug. Processing speed is slow. Example Java, C++. Low-level. Low-level difficult to write, difficult to test or debug. Processing speed is fast. Example machine and assembly language. Question number 7. What do you mean by DBMS? Answer. A DBMS is a collection of data and other related information of our database. Example Microsoft Access. Question number 8. What do you understand by application software? What are its various types? Answer. An application software is a set of instructions which is used to perform some specific task. Types of application software are packaged software, customized software. Question number 9. What are the various advantages of using high-level language? Answer. Some advantages of high-level languages are: first one is it is easy to write, correct and test programs. Second, programs written in high-level language can be executed by different computers. And third one is instructions are similar to English. Question number 10. What are utility programs? Mention any 4 utilities. Answer. A utility program is used to enhance the performance of computer system by providing additional and specialized functionality to it. 4 utilities are backup utility, antivirus, data compression, network utilities. Question number 11. What do you mean by customized software? Example. Answer. Customized software is made as per the specific requirements of an organization. Example. Software made for hotel management system would be different from that of an airline reservation system. Question number 12. What are different tasks performed by an operating system? Answer. Operating system manages the system resources. Second one is operating system manages the transfer of data to and from various peripherals such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Last one is operating system manages the system security and performance.